Today, our video will be about how you can make your relationship fun, even if you are in a long-distance relationship. We know that it can be challenging to keep the spark alive if you are not living with the person that you love with all your heart and soul. People often say that long-distance relationships do not work out very well because you miss the chance to meet your significant other. If you are in a long-distance relationship, that does not mean you have to compromise on all the fun stuff. It just simply comes down to the fact of how determined are you to make it work. Your relationship does not have to be boring, even if you are in a long-distance relationship. You have to make sure that you are doing all the right things and putting in the effort it requires. It is a commitment that both of you need to fulfill no matter what. Let us not get off our topic and give you 10 spectacular date ideas that are perfect for adding the charm you have been searching for in your long-distance relationship, starting right now. Number 1. Host a house party. If you are in a long-distance relationship, it does not necessarily mean that you have to compromise on all the fun. In the modern era, there is nothing that one cannot do. If you cannot attend a party with your partner physically, what's the big deal? You can hear a virtual party where you can gather all your friends at your house and call the DJ to add all the extra fun. You both can create a similar environment and then converse over a video call. It might not feel like the best thing ever, but at least you will not feel like you are missing out on all the fun. You definitely will feel that you have spent some quality time together. Do try this one out, and let us know how amazing of an idea this is. Number 2. Attend concerts together. How can you attend music concerts together while you are miles apart? The distance doesn't matter if you are genuinely in love with your partner. But then again, how do you attend a concert together? The world is equipped with streaming technology, and the sources of entertainment are getting huge with each passing day. People who have live music performances have just made our lives incredibly convenient. Have you considered attending a live music performance with your partner till now? If you haven't, you must try this, and you can thank us later for the phenomenal idea. Number 3. Consider going for a walk together. The modern world keeps us deprived of nothing and all. You can do whatever you wish to do with your partner, virtually. Go for a walk outside while video calling your partner. Both of you need to grab your headphones, and oh yeah, don't forget your mask. You can have a friendly conversation while you both enjoy the walk. This is not only a great idea for having a small date with your partner, but it will prove to be highly beneficial for your health as well. Imagine having the same fitness goals as your partner and working towards them to become a reality. Fascinating enough, no? Number 4. Netflix and chill. Whenever you both get some free time on your hands, make sure you do not let it go down the drain. You can binge watch shows together online. You both can decide one time of the day that suits your convenience, and then watches your favorite shows. Grab some popcorn and keep getting glimpses of your partner in between the episodes too. Doesn't that sound cute? Oh yes, and you can take screenshots of them just sitting randomly doing their own thing. This way, you will have memories that you can cherish for a lifetime. Number 5. Never miss a chance to surprise them. Even though you cannot be physically present for their special occasions, that certainly does not mean that you cannot surprise them. You can consistently deliver cute packages of things that they adore. Also, a pro tip is that never wait for any special day to make your loved ones feel special. Instead, pick a day and make it unique. You can make the package even more special by sending them a handwritten note. This will make them fall for you even more, and they will also have pieces of you to hold on to. Another great idea is to send a shirt or hoodie that carries your scent in it. Even when you are far away from each other, you can feel that little sense of affection in things as little as these. What do you think? Number 6. Go on a virtual dinner date. Now and then, make sure you have a virtual dinner date. Make sure you make it enjoyable. Don't take the virtual dinner date casually, and put in the effort to dress up and glam up a little as well. It comes down to all the little steps you are willing to put into your relationship to make it last. Don't be boring, be creative, and don't miss any chance to impress your partner. You never know how that little extra effort can make all the difference. You also have to be consistent in your efforts. Your relationship should make you feel fulfilled. This can be challenging when you do not have your partner physically present. Still, it is all worth it in the end, even though you have your partner all to yourself after being committed, but continue to make the same efforts you made to get them attracted to you in the first place. Never let the little things slip away from your relationship. Number 7. Learn new things together. This is an excellent idea that not many people come up with. This can be a game changer. It could be anything. It could be a short course online, or it could be a new language. It really could be simple everyday tasks that are so minor that if you do them together, they become more joyful. This way, you both will not just be wasting your time having meaningless conversations over text messages, but will be investing your time productively. This costs nothing at all. There are so many free apps that can get the job done for you. Everything is possible. You have to be willing enough to do all these things. They may seem like nothing at all, until you do them and find out they make all the difference in the world. Number 8. Have meaningful conversations with each other over a virtual date. Ask your partner some deep and meaningful questions whenever you both sit down and talk virtually. This way, you can maintain healthy relationships and form deep connections with your significant other. There are apps designed specifically for this purpose. You can also host quizzes that allow you to know each other better and in a more personal way. You can never be short of things that you can do together virtually. Number 9. Do your workout together. Workouts can be boring at times. No one has the motivation to get up and work out every single day of their lives. One thing you can do is that you can plan your workout sessions together online. This way, you will not be stressing that you have to work out, but you would rather be excited to spend some time with your partner. Time is precious, and you both can give each other the most amount of time by doing these little daily activities together. Honestly, this can be very therapeutic. Number 10. Cook and bake together. Look up a new recipe for something on the internet and try it out together. You never know how much fun it can be unless you try it out for yourself. Video call your partner, and there are so many options that you can use to video call. We do not even have to mention the apps present for video calling in today's era, because everyone is quite familiar with them. You should give this one a shot and see how it works for you. We hope that you are packed up with ideas now on how to add the spark to your long-distance relationship. If you liked the video, so make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.